market demand.
Nongpo MLA Meril Bones Aim visited Kamar village today to present a work order worth rupees 2 lakh for the construction of the ground floor hall under the MLA scheme. Additionally, he donated rupees 50,000 for the roof installation for the Silver Jubilee celebration. The event was attended by Joram Hanse, headman of Kamar, elder of the church, among others. In his address, Aim praised the community's collective efforts and emphasized the importance of collaboration between the residents and local leadership for the success of such initiatives.
Senong jong phi kampat de kepada he tan hadu kata tidak de ke senong ke belum pedeng ke jing he nang sup penyeteli nang la penyeteli ban bade hiru penyeteli ladang ia pat ia prang ia safret ladang ia bisni ia wok pejat iwe nginom poi senong.
The press conference for